guys, today we're eating candy for a whole day. That's why in breakfast we're eating this tiny eggs. We're eating this tiny eggs. I don't know. Eggo? Eggo? I'm gonna take okay, let me open this. Let me get it to open. And also we have how many slices? Hope this is enough to finish it. To make me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That's easy. I love this. And the back, there's a baby store of this. Economics, I think they're called again. See when I finish this. So I didn't finish it now. Oh no. I'm eating meat and I take the fruit. I still have online class after. Still have online class. I'm grade 1. This is my online class. Yeah, I know I'm still a grade 1. Yeah. That's Alex, Maria Sophia, Mint, Evie, Pia, Jennifer, and that's me and Cassie. Yeah, that's me and Cassie. See you when I already reach lunchtime. Bye. Okay, I've been back where I started. So for lunch we're eating these candies called coffee co because I can't find candy pastas, so I'm just gonna eat them like this. And I'm not actually allowed to hold some glass. See you when I finish this. All of my candy pastas. Okay, I finished it off. So I'm gonna talk a while when I finish this. So actually here that I showed you, it's brown before the hair. That's not my hair, but like it's just chocolate. So in the other three, we have this one, this white one that we always like, this one. Okay. After I finish this, I will go back to you. Okay, so it's already nighttime. For nighttime, I'm gonna. Sorry about that, my classmate is. For nighttime, I'm just gonna eat candy. I'll just open Coffee Co again. Wait, I'll open it. Okay. I'll eat this again. Okay, I finished it. Guess which mouth did I fit it in? He just said it's the right one. Let's see. He just said it's the left one. Mine is the left one. Okay, let's try again. I'll just put. Okay, now where is it? Is it in the left one or the right one? Check in the comment, or am I hiding it somewhere in my mouth? See you when I finish this. So I finished my coffee co. Now it's time to this one. This is my dessert. Every night I have a dessert because every morning I don't have. So it's Wait, you know this? Okay, wait. I think my coffee is.
Joy to come in this meeting.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Okay, sorry about that. My teacher is just going outside. Her water.
Bye, Teacher Karen.
Okay, I finished this way. I'll just go it. Okay, so I finished it. So everybody, I finished it. So it's time to go to bed. Okay, bye. Okay, just joke. I'm not going to bed right here. Okay, bye. See you again next time. Oh no, na-mute kami. Sorry. Na-mute kami. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Bako pa.